Hi everybody, this is Dale. Welcome to my channel, Not Too Shabby Chic. I have Friday flip through for you today, and this is a journal from Sherri Czmyr with Studio28e. I saw it and had to purchase it. It's called The Secret Garden. Isn't that beautiful? This was a book, and this was the cover of the book. She didn't even have to do much to it. Isn't it gorgeous? She added the little paper like flowers here and some vintage doily. This is the spine with the name of the book, and the back is plain. It's kind of a velvet feel. And she did the hitching post. Excuse me. So let's look at this lovely journal. Alright, now I know I looked at it once, so I can get in it. How did I do this? There we go. So very pretty. Sherri does great work. Here's some trims. Or trim, not trims, that she did around the edging, and you can see all the stuff coming out of the bottom and the sides, the top, which is the way I like it. Let me adjust my light just a hair. So let's go, and then on this has this gorgeous bead dangle, the glass bead it looks like, that matches. You open it up. Here's the inside. Pretty, this was the title page. Here's a pretty collage tag she did. Very pretty. And look at this. This is a little paper clip is hanging. A little paper clip with the ribbon. And this is a flip up for journaling. And then she did these big leaves here. I forget what those are called. Money tree leaves, maybe. A gift from, from. This was on the inside of the book. Isn't that gorgeous? So she, did an altered book, and she included some extras, and this is out of the book, The Secret Garden. So here's some of the pages from the book. Praise God, from whom all blessings flow. I love that song. And then here, the key of the secret garden. Isn't that cool? And inside, of course, is a pretty key with a heart. And this looks like green dyed paper that Sherri did. This is adorable. These little doors. Look at the little bunny. She fussy cut, and you open up the doors. You can journal here, and she's got a little bit of a 3D effect where she fussy cut this lady. This is washi tape. I need to re-glue. It looks like it's coming loose. Do that later. Anyway, and it's magnetized, I believe, or maybe not. That little doors for the gate. And it's a pocket in here. And this is a dictionary page. Oh, there's another. Isn't that pretty? That's a 1945 classification notice. That's awesome. And this is a stenciling and some more. This is mushroom washi tape. This looks like a vintage children's book page or music page. It's got writing on it, which is sweet. She put a sticker, or either it was already there. April shower. Here's a pretty botanical page with washi tape. A vintage piece of doily with a button and some eyelash trim and some stenciling. This is some of her Sherri's Echo dyed paper, which is always pretty. I think this flips out. Yep. And a little pocket. The pretty botanical card. Slides there. And then that goes back. Isn't that pretty? Love that paper. Then she's got a little flip up, and she gessoed that for journaling. Belly band with some vintage receipt. That is super cool. It's got the carbonized paper. And this is an old letter from 1931. The King family, Alicia King, president. And my grandmother on my dad's side, my great-grandmother was King. A reunion, King family. And we always had King family reunions too. Might have been related to this person. That's awesome. Love that envelope too. It's a vintage envelope. Pretty scalloped edge there. So that's that. And this is some of that primary school paper and pretty tassel trim. Pretty paper there, little girl. Some trim here. It's really pretty. Oops. And here's something she fussy cut with the rabbit. And this is a piece of paper, a tracing paper. And then this looks like a piece of ledger, and she made it into a pocket with a cute tag that she fussy cut. Looks like an egg shape. And then here's some more fussy cutting, a little robin and a piece of doily. Cute tag with some collage on it. And her Echo dyed paper. She sells in her Etsy shop. And it flips up for journaling space. And I will have Sherri's YouTube channel and her Etsy shop linked below. Here's some paper she just put here for journaling. More journaling space. Look at the little snail and the bird. Isn't that pretty? It's like coffee dyed paper, and she stenciled here. This has a stamp with a fox. London. Looks like some type of ticket. Here's another one. These are heavy duty. I like those. Stacy Pink Garden Mom. Cute. For my secret garden. She put a door with the plant there, like a secret garden seal. Very cool. And I like the way she did that piece of doily netting, like for the tie. This is for plants. And knowing Sherri, that flips up. Yes, it does. Isn't that pretty? A dragonfly. Pretty little envelope. You just, well, actually there's nothing in it. You just open it up to journal. Another lady she fussy cut out. Put on that tag. Excuse me. Very cute. Another fussy cut lady, and she's got some eyelash trim there. Book page pocket with some pretty trims. Pretty tag. Looks like that might have been from the book. Journaling space. Some more. Oops. Okay, that's a little tight. This is some more tassel trim. That's pretty trim from a doily and the rabbit, the snail, and the little boy. pretty fox pocket. Another cute tag for journaling. Another tag where she fussy cut and put a doily there on her echo dyed paper. Just so pages for journaling. A little 3D bird on top of some corrugated paper. That's a picture out of the story. Pretty image here. This is a fussy cutting. Pretty tag. And this is a menu. Looks like she's going out to a garden. Tortoni. Cute pocket and tags. Menu. Here's another one of those pretty leaves and a cute file folder. Oh, there's a key. Some little ephemera pieces she made. A girl. I like that. I can glue in here if I want. Those cute. Thank you, Sherri. Sweet. Tucks in there. It's another. She just fussy cut her out. A piece of ribbon on top. It's a little journaling pad. For stenciling. Pretty image. Pretty doily for a tuck, I guess. Vintage doily. Isn't that pretty? And inside, oh, look here. Isn't that beautiful hanky? Let's see. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Love that. I will have to keep that out of here for use in some journal I'm making eventually. Fussy cutting. Here's a echo dyed paper flip out. It looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? That paper. I love this echo dyed paper. I think she has this in her Etsy shop. Here's an altered paper clip with a vintage button and doily that's pretty, and a little tag with a rabbit and doily. Music paper tuck or something. There's a pocket with layout for the grounds. This could be the layout for the secret garden. And here's a botanical page. Put that there. And put that there, because I like something in every spot. Watermark image there. Pretty. And here's the second signature. You got a little bookmark. Isn't that pretty? With the crowns. It's a fox. And this is a pocket with our old report card. Isn't that cool? Donnie Barkus. He wasn't doing so good. Bless his little heart. (1949 to 1950), grade 2. Aw, he had a hard time. He wasn't doing so good. Cute little music paper with stickers. Cute. That's another pretty image. Looks like probably from the book. Stenciling, journaling space, another pretty doily tuck, and a tag. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty page. Deer she fussy cut out there. Another piece of tracing paper. Journaling spot. Some more with some collage stuff on there. The robin has found a mate building a nest. And that's a cute tag. And look at the farmer. Cute. Another journaling spot. Echo dyed papers that are always pretty. Lots of journaling room, which I don't journal, so I will eventually maybe put some stuff in here. There's the garden again. Cute little tag with a fox. And a little girl that's been colored with a highlighter, it looks like. A little flower cut out of a book page. See if I can get this back in. Or maybe not. There she goes. Another flip out with echo paper. Pretty tag where she fussy cut some flowers. A little butterfly. Flip up. Some more coloring page. Tag. Dragonfly. A garden gate. There's another flower. There's another file folder with fun stuff in it again. Some vintage pieces, which I love. Oh, ration card, and there's some the coupons still on there. That is so cool. 1941. I have a ration book, actually, the leather book that had for the whole family. It had some of the cards, but not a lot. It was really cool. So those are neat. Thank you, Sherri. Like that. Botanical page. Cute image. Little kids. Flip out for journaling spots. Cute envelope. Oh, I'm going to tear it. Another flower tag in there. Here's a belly band. Envelope with some stationery. Another collage tag and a receipt. I guess I want to stay in. Okay. Pretty image. Another tickets. And a tag. A receipt for 51 cents. That's pretty cool. I saw something, a little bitty ticket. Another button, the eyelash trim, scent flame, pretty cute image with the fox again. Vintage paper, music paper, and that's the end. So this again was by Sherri Czmyr, Studio28e. Be sure to check out Sherri's channel and her Etsy shop. She has lots of neat digitals too that you might be interested in, or would be interested in, I would believe. So please check Sherri out, and thank you, Sherri, for this beautiful journal, and I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye-bye.